feels so healthy already.
I've already seen the difference.
Basically, hello, how are you? My camera's broken. That's another side of detail. Actually, we don't have time to be filming this, but because I have to go. I'm supposed to be in Westward in just an hour and 5 minutes, and it takes about an hour to get there. So I like to be a bit early as well. My New Year's resolution. But how are you? It's been a minute. I just need to quickly go through my to-do list this morning, and then I need to leave the house. But I'm gonna give you a little brief rundown of what's been happening so far, with a little kind of montage of clips of my life since the last time I vlogged. So try it again. Hello, we're just now waiting for the bus to bring us to the shopping centre because. And also lunch. Yeah, we're going to get lunch first. Sorry, actually, never mind.
We can go. Oh, never mind.
We're we're at the beach all day. It was so nice. So I think I have a bit of a colour now. Wishful thinking. So just after like 2 hours on the beach. Both though. Oh my goodness. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So we just came back from
Dinner and drinks.
Because guess whose birthday it is today? Oh, it is. Oh. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to the president.
What?
Hello, introduce yourselves.
Hi guys, I'm Alex.
I'm Sarah.
I'm from Newcastle. I'm from London.
I'm from Limerick City, kid. Top City, kid. Top City.
Hey, come on.
I'm going to say more. Welcome to Genoa. Here is the garage.
Oh.
Victoria.
The what?
In
the train station.
It's really nice, but also she's like really pretty and like she is the view.
Yeah, she is the view.
It's really hot.
Hello.
Hi.
So we got these little head massager things. Scalp massagers, so we're going to try them out. Well, I can't open mine yet, but try to open it.
yours.
Thank you. Oh my god, that's going to be so nice.
So nice.
That's so nice. Oh my goodness.
It's like when you go to the hairdresser and they fucking absolutely...
Oh.
Stop making them noises, Mom. Stop.
Sorry.
Don't say anything.
Okay,
Okay, no, I'm never doing that ever again.
okay, alright. You can bring it to the beach, you can...
Why would you bring it to the beach?
For when you come out the water. Scrubbing the salt.
You can also bring just a regular hairbrush to the beach.
That's true, but this is pocket size.
But this is too...
And look, you can fit your fingers inside it as well. Anyway, that was our review of the scalp massager. Tara's giving us a little unboxing here.
No, I'm not. I'm looking for you. Face mask.
Oh yes, you're going to do them this evening. Cannot wait.
Some e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter for under my foundation.
Yeah.
James's favorite lip balm. Actually, yeah. Some deodorant. And some razor blades. And then some micellar water. That's it.
Great review. I know. Hello. Just say hello, Ailish.
Hello.
This is Ailish's grand debut
In the ordeal.
on the vlog. Let me just move this back here so it's a bit more quality, better. So we just went into the pop-up vintage shop that was in Westport. It was lovely, very nice. Yeah.
Vibes.
We got a coffee, which they're both gone now. I went to reach to grab it. And then we took a spin down to Westport House to have a look, and it's so beautiful, oh my goodness. And now we're going to head home because Ailish has to go to work.
Yeah, girl boss.
Yeah, girl boss.
CEO.
Because grind doesn't stop. And I got an item in 35mm vintage.
I picked it.
Yeah, Ailish is my stylist.
I picked it. It's a winter pick.
Yeah, like grab it out the bag now.
Very George Michael, Last Christmas.
Ta-da!
What's in the box?
Oh, that's just fabric samples and stuff for my business. So, this is what I got. I'll give you a sneak peek here. Survived. Thanks for checking in with us.
Sunburn. I'm in sunburn in the roof.
Yeah, because the sun is literally hitting you right in your
It's boiling up.
Right, say goodbye, Ailish.
Bye.
Ailish going starting a styling page on Instagram. She has to because she has impeccable style and impeccable taste, and she has to do it. We even have a brand name, everything all ready for her. Yeah, I remember St. Patrick's Day. Me and Grace came up one for you.
Oh, I was too drunk. I didn't know.
I forget what it is now. It's like
Think about it now.
stylish. I think it goes stylish or something like that.
Yeah,
Like
but
Ailish.
that could be anyone.
Yeah, but stylish.
Each I think of a better one.
SCYL and then ISH in capitals, and then
That's literally just the word stylish.
I know. Yeah.
It's not anything to do with my name.
Hello. So what did we get, Tara? We got some health shots.
Ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and vitamin D3.
Yes. Cheers.
Are you gonna do it all in one?
Yeah, you have to. It's a shot. Well, actually, I know it's all quite nice. Right, cheers. How'd you?
Is it spicy?
Oh no, I have to go back again. Oh god.
It's spicy.
Oh, that is spicy. I feel so healthy already.
I've already seen the difference. As I'm about to eat a bag of crepes.
Well, these are healthy ones as well. And also we got these most gorgeous, tasty protein balls. Beautiful. And coffee.
Oh, yum.
Cheers. Oh yeah, let's stop. Oh, look what we got. Some nachos. And they're, well, mine's vegan. I've been eyeing these up all summer. And we decided to pull in and just get them. Delicious.
Bean nachos.
Thank you for watching me eat it. Hello, so come on through. This is a current update of what's been done. The wallpaper's still here, but that'll be going next week. The door is still here, that will also be going, but I'll show you where most of the work has been done. If you come in here, everything has disappeared. Just the light is remaining up there. And then we walk through into the bathroom, which again, everything is gone in here. And we have the first wall up here. This wall's going up today also. We have this wall put in. Oh my god, someone tripped over the bench. Put in. So that needs to get plastered. We have a whole mirror going along here, which is gonna look so cool. We have a new door coming for here, a glass one. And then a wall here, glass panel, lovely shower. I just don't think you're ready for this. But wait till you see the wall lights. Because you're not ready for the wall lights. And yeah, we have the floor tiles here. We're going to do a herringbone floor tile in this wardrobe here, which is very exciting. And it's so exciting, oh my gosh. The builders are coming back now, so they're going to resume their work, and I'll check in with you in a bit. Okay, I am so excited because I ordered a little something. I'm just going to leave you there quickly. It's kind of a bit squished, but it's fine. I won't hold a grudge. Ooh. Okay, so I got most of the packaging, but I am obsessed. Okay, so it comes with like a little strap as well, because the whole plan is to wear it like around obviously your body. I fixed my shirt because that's not a vibe. Put sunglasses on as well just to give it the proper vibe. Now, I mean, I probably will have it a bit lower because that's a bit high up on me. Hello. So I don't really vlog much recently. I've been trying to do the day in the life things on TikTok and Instagram a bit more than I have been vlogging. It's hard to take the camera out and vlog when you have 5 million things going through your head at one time. As I was saying there before my memory decided to drain, I'm too busy at the moment to vlog, but I'm going to try to vlog more and also I'm going to try to upload more. I know I say this all the time and it never happens, but at the moment I'm making chips because I'm starving. I don't know if you remember this room here, but we've recently redone our utility room. Have a video linked here, go watch it because it's a lot nicer than this. But this is the room where the utility room was previously, so as you can see why we needed an upgrade. But we're going to turn this room into Mum's wardrobe because if you knock through this wall, we're into her wardrobe in there. So we're going to make a big walk-in. Well, I'd like to knock out here because that's, if you look out there, that's literally just like nothing out there. Nothing. So I'd like to build out to that wall there and that wall there and have the bathroom, which is there, run along that section and then have like an opening, I suppose maybe a bit closer in, like basically an opening, like an archway or something there, and have like built-in cabinetry there, all along here. But yeah, we'll figure it out. So I have to measure it up now and get it designed up and get everything priced up and see how much it's all going to cost, because that's what it comes down to, is the expense of it all. So okay, now that that's over with and you're caught up. Very exciting things happening, but I'll discuss them in the car because I just want to go through here quickly first. I wonder if I can show you this. What's that I see? Is that a new logo? It is a new logo. The thing about me that will always remain consistent is my time management being just impeccable. So I'm just going to quickly send this information off and get in the car, so I'll see you in a bit. Hello. So sorry, it's been it's been a day. I just went to Booster to get some things and I forgot the one thing that I went in to get, which was lip balm. Oh, because I can't find where I put mine and I'm for lip balm. So I ended up actually going for coffee with Tara instead. Oh my god, hold on, I'm here first because okay. So I ended up going for coffee with Tara instead, but I'll pan actually right now.
No, it's fine.
You look very pretty. We went to Alkali Island Kitchen, got a coffee, got a vegan bun, and it tastes unreal. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's it. That's it, that's all. Talk to you later. Okay, so I just arrived on site today. It's Sunday, and I'm meeting my client and the kitchen designer just to go through everything, just to finalise everything. There's a bit of concern at the moment over the size of the units and the usability of the kitchen, so we're just gonna trash it out and just, you know, make sure everyone's on the same page. And yeah, I'm excited. And then we can get everything ordered and finito. That's where I am today. And what a gorgeous day for it. Like, it's so lovely out. Sarcasm at its finest. But yeah, that's what we are today. So I'll give you an outfit of the day later, just because they'll be pulling up soon. I'm just a bit early for once in my life. So I'll talk to you in a bit. Hello, so I'm home now. I just done a food shop. I'll just give you a little haul. Oh fuck me, that dog. I got vegan cheese, this Alpro vanilla yogurt because it's so tasty. I always have it every morning. I got some red peppers. These are my favorite type. My dog's down my leg, that's what the sneezing is. This new pesto that I saw, it's called Veggie Earth Super Green Pesto. It was like €4 for this tiny little thing, so I mean that's kind of like, but I got it anyway. I got these succulently sweet vegetable burgers, which are really good. It's not as exciting inside, is it? No, I bet you thought it was going to be super exciting in here, but no, it's probably more entertaining outside. Sea salt and dark chocolate almonds. I actually want to try these now because these sound so tasty. I'm so tired. Oh, they smell good. Oh my god, they are so good. I used to be addicted to chocolate covered peanuts when I was younger, so I'm never able to find like a vegan version of them. So that's good. He was speaking to them. Bella, no. Shit. Is it very dark? Is that better? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go put this away. Talk to you later.